Deep in the northern region of Italy, near the city of Torino, travelers whisper about a strange tunnel hidden between the mountains. It looked like an ordinary passage from the outside, but those who enter say time feels different inside. People report that the tunnel seems longer than it should be. A distance that should take a few seconds feels like minutes, and minutes feels like hours. Locals claim that watches and mobile clocks slow down the movement. Someone walks inside when they exit the time outside doesn't match the time they experienced inside. But no scientific device has been able to record the effect clearly. Some drivers say that even they entered the tunnel, their headlights flickers for no reasons. The air becomes strangely silent, as if the wind has stopped moving, and the exit of the tunnel looks far away, no matter how fast they try to reach it. One traveler reported that he kept driving for several minutes, feeling like the tunnel had no end. But when he checked this GPS later, the total distance he traveled was only 300 meters. Another visitor said that he heard faint echoes behind him, like someone walking slowly. But when he turned back into one was nothing was there. The tunnel was empty, cold and silent. The most chilling stories come from people who were inside during the night. They describe the tunnels as stretching further and further, as if the walls themselves are shifting. Some claim to see shadows at the far end that disappear when approached. Scientists have tried to study the tunnel, but every test has produced inconsistent results. Sometimes instruments show time distortion, other times nothing happened at all. It is as if tunnel chooses when to reveal its mystery. Locals believe the tunnel was built on an old abandoned passageway whose history is long forgotten. Some says that original builders stopped the project because the land behaved strangely, but no official record confirms this. What makes the tunnel unique is that no one has ever been harmed inside it. There are no dangerous creatures, no supernatural claims, and no physical threats. The mystery lies only in the strange feelings of endless distortion of time and the unexplained length. Travelers still visit it today, hoping to experience the effect for themselves. Some feel it immediately, others feel in nothing at all. But almost everyone agrees no one thing has an unusual energy that can't be found anywhere else. Why does the tunnel feel longer than it? Why do clocks behave strangely inside? And why do shadows appear when no one else is there? These questions remain unanswered. Never-ending tunnel of Torino continues to stand quietly among the mountains, holding its secret deep within its wall. One day the truth will be discovered, or maybe the tunnel will always keep its mystery hidden.